Lexus Australia's latest customer service exercise relates to the GPS antenna on approximately 1665 NX SUVs not receiving electrical power. Of these vehicles, 38 have been delivered to customers. The issue is a result of incorrect wiring routing, and the GPS function is therefore inoperable while the vehicle has its ignition off. Should this problem occur, safety features like stolen vehicle tracking and remote vehicle identification are disabled. The involved vehicles are equipped with a GPS antenna wire harness which connects the antenna to a data communication module, DCM, the company says in its notice. Due to incorrect wiring routing, the GPS antenna will not receive electrical power and will be inoperable during ignition off. Because of an inoperable GPS antenna during ignition off, the vehicle location cannot be identified, and the DCM will not transmit a current location for stolen vehicle tracking, SVT. Lexus Australia says it will contact owners via a text or email to notify them of the exercise. Customers who are aware of the issue must contact their preferred Lexus dealership to arrange a time for the repair to be carried out. The correction is expected to take less than an hour to rectify, and the work will be carried out free of charge. Vehicles produced from March 1, 2023 to April 26, 2023 may be affected by the issue. Affected variants include the NX250, NX350, NX350H, and NX450H. View the customer service exercise notice and VIN list here. Learn more. Lexus Australia says that vehicles won't display any advanced warnings to the driver prior to repair. It says customers can continue to drive their vehicles until a repair has been carried out. If you have any further questions, you can contact your preferred Lexus dealer or the Lexus Customer Assistance Center on 1-800-023-009, Monday through Friday 8 o'clock a.m. to 6 o'clock p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time, and quote your 17-digit vehicle identification number, VIN.